Hi, so today we are going to be discussing sound, and to help our lesson we are going to be using Jamboard. So Jamboard is basically a collaborative page that we can use and put things on and see together on our different screens and at different times. So if we're at home and want to do stuff, we can do that. So in this PowerPoint I'm going to be sharing with all of you, there is a link in the third slide to Jamboard. So we're going to click on it. It's going to open. And we can see the Jamboard here and the sticky note in the middle that says what are the different sounds you hear in a school. So on Jamboard we can write our own sticky notes, but for class this time, so we can work on it together, I'm just going to have all of you raise your hand and tell me what we want to put. So we can see the different features here. We're going to be clicking on this one, the sticky note it says. You can see the sticky note pops up. Since we have a yellow background, we will not be using the yellow color sticky note, but there's a green, a blue, a pink, and an orange. So I'll click on the pink. Something you hear in a school might be talking. But you're gonna hit save and it's gonna pop up. You can cancel to exit out. If you click on the sticky note, you can move it around. You can shrink it. You can make it bigger. So we're gonna make it this size for now. On the sticky note, we can see if we click on the three little dots in the white circle, there's edit, there's duplicate, delete. So those are all fun things we can do. So we're going to delete that for now. Up here, there is different pages. So we're going to be reading a book. After that book, we're going to be discussing more sounds that we might hear. So that can go on this page, and then after we do our little project and research and go off and come back together, we're going to discuss what we found, more sounds we found, how we found them, and we could do that on this third Jamboard. So the benefits of Jamboard is that it can be more interactive for the class. So with the older kids, they can be typing their own sticky notes and adding them. With the younger kids, it's something like fun that they can do together and it's on there. So you're not erasing it at the end of the day. It's going to be there. It's going to be on the link and it's accessible to all. So if you have a student at home, they can do it. And I think the kids will think it's more fun in school just because it's something different. So that pretty much sums up Jamboard. In the feature side, you can also see there's a pen, there's the eraser, there's images, and these can all just make Jamboard a little more fun and something you can't do on the regular whiteboard. We will be using a smartboard in our lesson, so this can be pulled up on the screen or it can be pulled up on the individual computers. So that's all I have. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.